This is one of my favorite accessible moving meditation techniques. Find your tall spine, relax the shoulders down, have bent elbows, palms are facing each other but not quite touching. And when you naturally inhale, you'll create some more space between your hands. When you're ready to exhale, bring the palms closer together. Let's continue. Inhale, space between the hands. Exhale, hands closer together. There's no rush. We'll try to make it a smooth movement. Maybe we can encourage a slow, smooth movement, matching a slow, smooth breath. So as you inhale, hands get farther apart. And as you exhale, palms get closer together. And as you continue with this pattern, follow your natural breath pace. You might bring some awareness to the sensation on the palms of your hands. Some folks, when they make this movement, start to notice some texture or some temperature in the space between your hands. And this might be a helpful focal point for your busy mind to focus on. Sometimes when we move the hands, that takes up a lot of the brain space. So our thinking mind might be focused on what the hands are doing, while ourselves, us as the observers, can then enter that space between thoughts. So we're occupying that busy part of the mind, and maybe the other part of ourselves can enter that special stillness. So you can try this in your comfortable seat, or you might try this while you're in tree pose or Tadasana. You can do this standing still. Sometimes I do this while I'm waiting for the microwave. This can be a helpful way to anchor a busy mind. So try that out and see how it serves you. And we twist up towards the right.